of a great 2011 season. We're undefeated in league and got some great organizational and team awards. It's created some interesting dynamics for us. Obviously, with the success of the team, we've signed 4 guys to the professional level. Got a couple other guys pending, but with preseason starting next month, March, and a reserves game or a preseason game against the reserves with Earthquakes on March 24th, we certainly got our work cut out for us. So I want to kind of go through a few of the returning players and maybe some new prospects and kind of see where we're at.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a challenge, and it's an opportunity. I mean, it's a challenge for us as an organization to kind of reload by losing up to 6 or 7 starters, but it's also an opportunity for this talented young group that we have in the area, guys we're bringing in from outside the area. So I think it's a fun time for both of us to start almost like a new era of Fuego soccer.
I know some of the returning players, key guys that were a part of the team last year, they're coming back. Obviously in our goal, Gilbert Vega, an experienced professional who kind of is a staple in our defense. He's returning. And then up top as well with Tyler Reinhardt, who produced a number of goals for us last year. He's talking to some professional clubs, but we're not sure yet whether or not he's going to be back, but we're hoping that the best for him as a player that he can get a professional contract if that's the case, but if not, that he'll be back in a Fuego jersey.
Yeah, for sure. Having Gilbert Vega coming back just solidifies the goal. There's a chance that Ryan Kinney, which has been in the MLS training and played in the USL Pro, he could be back. So that gives us 2 big-time goalkeepers. Devin is the one, Devin Grosses, that's the one that if he signs to the next level, we'll definitely have a huge hole losing Cody and Devin. So the midfield is where we have to reload with Milton, Sip, Chiva all gone. But, there again, what an opportunity for some of these young guys. And Paul Islas, the new kid, not new, he's been part of our organization, just hasn't played the last 2 years. He can impact the PDL for sure. So really look for him to step in and take a big-time leadership role with this team and produce.
Yeah, Islas is a special player, a kid that has incredible pace on the ball and can make a difference at any moment. Some of the young guys that are anxious to put on a Fuego jersey and have kind of been a part of the Odyssey Academy program that have been supporting our organization that are now at the college level and wanting to come back. Isaiah Trejo, who plays at the University of Louisville, top college program in the country as a freshman. Got minutes, which not all freshmen get, so we got a little bit of experience there. He's looking at coming in. That's another back for us. JP Medina, who played at UC Riverside, one of the local boys that want to come back and put on a Fuego jersey. Right. So there is some young talent.
That's the upside of that academy program is those kids have played. Some of them are national level players, but played with national level players, played with the MLS reserve academy teams, and so for them to take the jump from that to this isn't as big as the jump that some of these kids are making. So there'll definitely be the first 6-8 weeks or 4 to 6 weeks will be a little bit of a transition, but I think it should be good. I'm really looking forward to this year because of I really don't know what's going to happen until we step on the field.
Yeah, not easy to come off of such an incredible season, but at the end of the day, I feel like we did our job, got some kids to the professional level, opens up some doors for some new players to put a little bit of weight on their back and carry us through the 2012 campaign. And as always, we expect great things from the organization. So.
Yeah, and I just to finish up, it really puts a lot of pressure on these veterans that have been around a long time, and Gaston Signetti and Nini Blanco and those type of guys that got to bring the young guys along and show them what professional soccer is all about, both on the field and off the field. So it's a good time. March 12th, right? March 12th is our preseason, so we're looking forward to that.
Awesome.